Hello and welcome. In this video, we will take a look at how to work with the Fishbone and add notes and attachments as we go along using the Fishbone to solve our problems or our incidents. So if we can take a look at this Fishbone, we will see these icons here which look like notepads and notes, and if you hover, it will say that they are notes and attachments. So how do we go about adding them and what else can we do with them? Let's take a look. So for example, I wish to enter something around, let's say, DB issue, query issue. So I'll click on this, and then there are many ways in which I can do that. The quickest way is to use this triple dot, use this menu, and there's an icon here called attachments and notes. You could click here, or you could just right click on this node, and again the same menu will open up, and again you can go and click on attachments. That will work as well. Another way to do that is if you could, there's this cost details button here. If you click on it, this panel opens up, and then you will see that here again there is a panel called attachments and notes, and you can click on this. And like with the most other things, there is this cost tree here, and if you click here, we are, remember, at DB issue, query issue. So here if you highlight this, and then out here there is this icon here called notes and attachments, or attachments and notes, and you can click there and you can do the same thing. So let's come back to where we were. Let's click on this triple dots, go to attachments and notes, click on it. Yeah, so I stopped at clicking on it. Now when I actually click on it, this is what opens up. So there are two tabs here. There's attachments and there's notes. So let's work with notes first. Button here says add notes, so let's click on it. The editor opens up, and all we have to do is type. So maybe we can choose whatever is pertinent to the current state of your investigation. You might just want to make note of it. So checking this out, and you can save this note, at which point in time it gets added. Now there are the icons here. There's this which says that tutorial, so that's the ID that I'm using right now. So it records that that's the ID which created this note, the time at which it was created, and if we want to edit, we click on this. If you want to get rid of this delete note, we can click here and get it. Edit is, like you said, checking this out. After some time, after we have investigated, we found something or we didn't find anything, so we can just say all good, no issues here. You can keep it that. At a later point, we can just update this note, so you can see that's got updated. Or you can add another one. You can always add another one and save note likewise. Very well. Now we said notes help us keep track of the state of the investigation. So for example, even if I'm an incident manager and I'm looking at the Fishbone at 20,000 feet, and I can see all of these icons here, all I have to do is click here and check what's happening. So I know that this person here has looked at it, and this is what he or she has found and has made a record of it. So it helps that way. Having said that, there are situations, and there could be situations where the amount of data, the volume of data that you might want to record as part of the note gets too huge, and you really don't want to spend that kind of time. Don't have that kind of time to type all of that in. So we facilitate that by allowing attachments. So apart from the notes tab, there is this attachments tab, and really all we have to do is go here and you can click on add attachment, and you can browse. It's there somewhere. You can browse, and you can click on a file, select it, and just say upload, at which points in time it uploads it. If there is something else that you want, you can again click on it, and there we go. And there are some limits here. As of now, I don't think we can do more than 10 attachments, but I think that and that's for each of these nodes, each of these causes. So query issue, we cannot have more than 10 attachments, but we move on to index issue, we can have 10 more. So that's how it goes. And here again, we keep a record of who uploaded the attachment, the time at which it was done. At a later point in time, or if somebody else is working on it in a remote location, if they want to take a look at what's inside here, they can actually download this. And at any point in time, if you think you uploaded a file incorrectly or you don't want to upload it, you can just delete it by pressing on this red icon. So this is how we work with notes and attachments to record additional information above and beyond just these cause labels here. Thank you.